there. It's this very moment when you made the choice to pick up the pace and start changing things. Yeah, that moment when you decided to stop putting off your dreams and really start rebuilding the person you've always wanted to be. No, it's not about how other people see you or what they think. It's all about you, who you really are. You got this amazing potential waiting just for you to tap into it. But we all know how easy it is to let that potential go to waste. We put it right beneath our daily grind, the fear of failure, and that voice in our head saying, you can't make it. Do we really? Oh, you can. Sure, you have the power to make everything around you better. Just don't forget that personal growth isn't about being flawless. It's about realizing your true self and finding a way to be in harmony with who you are. Settling down with the past, creating balance with your present, and setting things up for your future. It's all about learning how to bounce back after getting down and how to see failure as a chance for growth rather than just getting terrified of it. So start easy, get some sleep, don't stress about it too much. Just pick up a book or two a month. Don't fuss over people stuff, comparing what you do with what others do. Write down whatever you think comes to mind. Hit the gym or do some sort of workout, even if it's just a tiny bit each day. These small steps are what lead to big stuff, because real change doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and making it a habit. And hey, remember, no one else can really feel what you feel as much as you do. No one else can be as concerned about your success as you should be. Create your vision, care about your goals, and get after them one step at a time. Don't wait for that perfect moment that was just meant to be. But remember, at this very moment, you're creating your own life, and it's not just about what happens to you, but also about how you choose to rise above it.